Very good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? You all are fine, good? Okay. So, today we are going to do exercise problems. Okay. So, in the previous class, what we have learned, so capacity, right? And the conversions of milliliters and liters, right? So, how to convert milliliters into liters? How to convert? So for that we need, in 1 liter how many milliliters will be there? So in 1 liter 1000 milliliters will be there, right? So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, then how to convert milliliter into liters? So to convert the smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide, right? So to convert milliliter into liters, we have to divide by 1000. Okay? And to convert liter into milliliter, we have to multiply by 1000. Okay? So these are all the things we have learnt in the previous class, right? So capacity 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay? So to convert liters into milliliters, so from the bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply, right? So to convert liters into milliliters, we multiply by 1000. And to convert milliliters into liters, we divide by 1000. Okay. So based on these, we are going to solve the exercise problems. Okay. Are you all ready? Okay. So take your textbook. Okay. You can write the answers directly in your textbook. Okay. Or you can take your maths notebook. Okay. And you can copy down. Okay, children. So exercise 8.4, first problem, put the correct sign. Put the correct sign, less than, greater than or equal to in the box. Okay. So first one is 75 milliliter and here 500 milliliter. First we have to check the unit. Okay. If both are in the same unit only, we can compare. Okay. Otherwise, we have to convert that into similar unit, same unit. Okay. First, we have to look at the units on both sides. Okay. If the units are same, then we can directly compare. Okay. Otherwise, we have to change that into same units. Okay, and then you can compare. Okay, children. So in the first problem, here also milliliter and here also milliliter. So both the units are same. So we can directly compare. Okay. So here 75 milliliter and here 500 milliliter. Which one is big? Which one is big, 75 or 500? So 500 is greater than 75, right? So 75 milliliter is less than 500 milliliter, right? 75 milliliter is less than 500 milliliter. Have you all understood, children? So when you are going to compare two units, you have to first check both the units are same. Okay. If both the units are same, then you can directly compare. Otherwise, you have to convert that into same unit. Okay. And then only you can compare. Okay, children? Okay. So the second sum B, here 1 liter and here 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter. Here 1 liter and here 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter. First let's simplify this, okay, and then we can compare, right? Because here two terms are there, so first we can simplify this. So here also milliliter and here also milliliter, so we can add directly. So 250 plus 250 milliliter, which is equal to 500 milliliter. Okay, 500 milliliter. So this will become 500 milliliter. Okay, now let's check whether we can compare or not. Okay, so here the unit is liter, but here the unit is milliliter. Okay, so we have to either convert this liter into milliliter, or we have to convert this milliliter into liter, right? Because both the units should be same. Okay, then only we can compare. Okay, so here 1 liter, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, right? So instead of 1 liter, shall we write this 1000 milliliter? Yes. So here 1000 milliliter. Now here also milliliter and here also milliliter. So now we can compare. Okay. So here 1000 milliliter and here 500 milliliter. Which one is big? So 1000 milliliter is greater than 500 milliliter, right? So 1000 milliliter is greater than 500 milliliter, right? So the symbol should be greater than. Okay, so 1 liter is greater than 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter. Have you all understood, children? So in the first step, we have to simplify this into single term. Okay, and then we have to check both the units are same. Okay, if not same, then we have to convert one unit into the other unit. Okay, and then only we have to compare. Okay, children. And the third one, 2 liter and here 1 liter plus 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. So in the first step, what we have to do? We have to simplify this into a single term, right? So we have to add, right? So here 1 liter, here milliliter and here milliliter. So we have to convert this liter into milliliter. Okay, and already we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So to convert liter into milliliter, we have to multiply by 1000, right? Multiply by 1000. So 1 into 1000 is 1000. 1000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. So write 500 milliliter plus this 500 milliliter. So now add these three capacities. Okay. So 0, 0, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So write 0 here and carry over 1 to the next place. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So here 2000 milliliter. 2000 milliliter. Okay. So here instead of 1 liter, Instead of 1 liter plus 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter, we can write 2000 milliliter, right? So we have simplified. And in the second step, what we have to do? We have to check the units, right? Whether both the units are same or not. Okay. So here liter and here milliliter is there. So we can convert this liter into milliliter or this milliliter into liter. So we can convert this liter into milliliter. So to convert liter into milliliter, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 1000, right? So 2 liter is equal to 2 into 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 2000 milliliter. So instead of 2 liter, we can write 2000 milliliter. Okay. So now both the units are same. So now we can compare. Okay. And here 2000 milliliter and here also 2000 milliliter. So which symbol has to be written here? Both are equal, right? So we have to write equal to. Okay. So 2 liter is equal to 1 liter plus 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. Okay. So here we have to write equal to. Is it clear? Yes. So the next one, 500 milliliter. This side 500 milliliter and the next side 300 milliliter plus 100 milliliter plus 100 milliliter plus 100 milliliter. So first, in the first step, what we have to do? We have to simplify. Okay. So we have to add all these capacities. Okay. So first one is 300 milliliter. So all the units are same, right? So here milliliter, here milliliter, here milliliter and here also milliliter. So we can add directly. Okay. So first one is 300 milliliter and next one is 100 milliliter and next one is 100 milliliter and the last one is also 100 milliliter. So we are going to add. Okay. So here 0 and here also 0. Here 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So here 600 milliliter. Okay. So instead of these things we can write 600 milliliter. So we have simplified into single term. Okay. And in the next step, second step, what we have to do? We have to check the units. Whether both the units are same or not. Okay. And here milliliter and here also milliliter. So the units are same. So we can compare. Okay. So here 500 milliliter and 600 milliliter. So 500 milliliter is less than 600 milliliter, right? 500 is less than 600. So we have to put less than symbol. Okay. So 500 milliliter is less than 600 milliliter. Have you all understood, children? Yes? Okay. So in the first step, you have to simplify that into single term. Okay. And in the second step, you have to check the units. Okay. Both the units should be same. Otherwise, you cannot compare. Okay. If both the units are not same, then convert any one unit to the other unit. Okay. And then you can compare. Okay, children. So the second question, fill in the blanks. Okay, first one, 7 liter is equal to dash milliliter. So we have to convert liter into milliliter. So to convert liter into milliliter, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 1000. Okay, so 7 liter is equal to 7 into 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 7000 milliliter. Okay, so the answer is 7000 milliliter. Okay, and the next question, 4 liter 275 milliliter is equal to dash milliliter. So we have to convert that into milliliter. Okay, so for that what we have to do? So in the first step we have to convert this 4 liter into milliliters. Okay, and in the second step we have to add with this 275 milliliter. Okay, so we can convert. So 4 liter is equal to, so to convert liter into milliliter we have to multiply by 1000. So 4 into 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 4000 milliliter. Okay, and the next step, so 4 liter and 275 milliliter is equal to 4000 milliliter plus 275 milliliter. So we have to add. Okay, so 4000 plus 275 milliliter is equal to 5724. So which is equal to 4275 milliliter. Okay, so the answer is 4275 milliliter. Okay, 4275 milliliter. Is it clear, children? So the next one, 18 liter is equal to dash milliliter. 18 liter is equal to dash milliliter. So to convert liter into milliliter, we have to multiply by 1000. Okay, so 18 liter is equal to 18 into 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 18,000 milliliter. So the answer is 18,000 milliliter. Okay, so we have to write 18,000 milliliter. Okay, and the next question is 6,285 milliliter is equal to dash liter and dash milliliter. So we are going to convert this milliliter into liter and milliliter. So for that what we have to do? We have to split. Okay, we have to split this 6,285 milliliter into two parts, right? So 6,285 milliliter is equal to 6,000 milliliter plus 285 milliliter. Okay, and now convert this 6,000 milliliter into liter. So how to convert milliliter into liters? We have to divide, right? So 6,000 divided by 1000. So cancel common number of zeros, we get 6. So 6,000 milliliter can be written as 6 liters plus 285 milliliter. So this can be written as 6 liter 285 milliliter. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so the answer is 6 liter and 285 milliliter. Okay, so similarly the next problem. 1450 milliliter is equal to dash liter and dash milliliter. So we have to split this 1450 into two parts, right? So 1450 milliliter is equal to 1000 milliliter plus 450 milliliter, which is equal to, so 1000 milliliter has to be converted into liters, right? So we have to divide. So 1000 divided by 1000. So 1000 divided by 1000 is equal to 1. So 1 liter. So 1000 milliliter can be written as 1 liter plus 450 milliliter. So it can be written as 1 liter 450 milliliter. Okay. So the answer is 1 liter 450 milliliter. Okay, children. The next one is 9 liter 50 milliliter is equal to dash milliliter. So we are going to convert this into milliliters only. So first step, we have to convert this liter into milliliter. How to convert? By multiply by 1000, right? So 9 liter is equal to 9 into 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 9000 milliliter. So we have converted this liter into milliliter. So now we have to add this 9000 milliliter and 50 milliliter. Okay. So 9 liter and 50 milliliter is equal to 9000 milliliter plus 50 milliliter, which is equal to 9050 milliliter. Okay, it's like normal addition. Okay, so the answer is 9050 milliliter. Okay, so the answer is 9050 milliliter. Am I clear, children? Yes? Okay. So the remaining problems you can do on your own. Okay. So practice all the problems at your home. Okay, children, and copy down all these problems in your notebook also. Okay, children, go through all the problems. Okay, go through the conversions. Okay, so study well. I'll meet you in the next class. Okay, thank you.